Well, I say it's time for some Bargain Bead Box. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. This is November 2025 Bargain Bead Box unboxing. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got this month. Winterberry Wishes. Oh, this is going to be pretty, I think. All right, like I always do, let me go ahead and get this organized, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So, number one, we have a 30 by 18 millimeter amethyst teardrop pendant, and it retails at $7.99. Yay, this is my birthstone. Ooh, oh. Oh, darn, it's got scratched somehow. But anyway, isn't that pretty? It is a natural stone, so there are going to be some flaws in it. But I do hate that that looks to me like whenever they buffed it up, it got scratched a little bit. But that's okay. All right, number two, we have 3 by 2 millimeter phosphosiderite. Hope I'm saying that right. Faceted rondelle beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $7.99. Whatever they are, they must be an expensive bead or stone. Those are pretty. Of course, anything purple I'm going to love. But for it not be, they're being teeny tiny, and then there's not a ton on this string. I mean, there's enough to make something with, but they're $7.99. That tells me that that's an expensive stone. I need to look it up and see what it is. Okay, next. Next, number three, we have 8 millimeter purple lapidolite round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $6.99. Those are purple gray almost. Number four, we have 6 millimeter aquamarine heated faceted round beads. So I guess it's heat treated. Faceted round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $7.49. Ooh. And I believe this is natural aquamarine. Okay, so when this says that it's heated, sorry, this one says it's heated. Yeah, I looked it up. Actually, I asked Google. Google said that when it's heated, it removes more of the green color. So I'm assuming like that. If you can see, that's more of a green. But it removes most of the green color to it to give it a more vivid blue. And it actually makes the stone more expensive. So this is a natural aquamarine. And I'm loving it. All right, number five, we have 10 millimeter purple aventurine frosted round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. That is more like a grape. That looks like you're sort of like a lighter of the red grapes to me. What is it? I noticed one. Okay, number 6, we have aquamarine, also heated, faceted cylinder beads on a 5-inch string, and they retail for $5.99. And this set comes with these little bitty clear spacer beads. Looks like a seed bead. Number 7, we have 5.5mm English cut faceted crystal round beads in lavender with an AB finish on a 10-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. I like that AB finish. Apparently it stands for Aurora Borealis. So it's like, you know how an Aurora Borealis is different colors. It's never the same thing. See how sparkly that is? Number, where are we at here? Number 8, we have a 3.5 by 3mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in a Winterberry mix on a 15-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Oh, those are pretty. Ooh, I love those. Look at that. That certainly feels wintry to me. But very elegant. Some of these you have to fiddle with. I'll get those later. Look how pretty that is. Number 9, we have 8mm glass pearl beads in mulberry on a 15-inch string, and they retail for $3.79. Okay, now we are number 10, 20 pieces of 11 by 7mm glass leaf beads in slate rainbow iris, and they retail for $1.99. Oh, those are pretty. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Number 11, we have 2 pieces of 22mm lampwork glass twisted leaf pendants in copper rose. They retail for $2.99. I can't get over those. Those are gorgeous. Oh, look at those. Now, those are sweet. So we've got gorgeous and we've got sweet. But I do like those. Let me see if I can let the light shine through them. Number 12, we have 4 pieces of 28 by 23mm poinsettia pendants in $2.99. Okay, y'all tell me in the comments section below. I hear a lot of people on, like, I don't know, movies, like Hallmark movies and different stuff. And then I've heard other people say it too, call them poinsettias. I have never heard that until here recently. I've been raised with poinsettias. And last year at church, because I thought maybe I'm saying it wrong. Last year at church, it was after Christmas, and we were collecting up the poinsettias we had. Ooh, those are pretty. But we were collecting the poinsettias we had at church, and I was talking to one of the older ladies at church. I love her. She's a hoot. Y'all just have to know her. But anyway, I said something about poinsettia. She said, poinsettia? What in the world's a poinsettia? She said, it's poinsettia. Say it with me. Poinsettia. I was like, okay, it's poinsettia. But I still don't know. Maybe it's one of those words that can be said either way, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, next on number 13, we have 10 pieces of 13 by 7 millimeter pine cone charms, and they retail for $1.99. I swear, I think we've got these before. I think. They're really cute. Number 13. Number 14, 2 pieces of 21 by 19 millimeter poinsettia flower pendants, and they retail for $1.99. So I guess they go that way. Number 15. We have 10 pieces of 16 by 8 millimeter dotted filigree floral links, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, those are cute. Yeah. I'd make a cute bracelet. Number 16, we have 6 pieces of 14 by 10 millimeter branch patterned oval beads, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, those are pretty too. Yeah, I like those. Number 17, we have 40 pieces of 7 millimeter scrolled bead caps, and they retail for $3.99. Number 18, we have 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter textured cable chain, and it retails for $3.99. So there's our chain. Number 19, we have 2 pieces of 24 by 17 millimeter floral toggle clasp, and they retail at $1.99. Those are pretty. Looks like a little flower, and then that looks like a little leaf. Number 20, we have 6 pieces of 7 by 4.5 millimeter scrolled tube bell beads, and they retail at $1.99. So these are bell beads. You can put them directly on your string and put your pendant or whatever there, or wire, or I said string, but you know what I mean. And last one is number 21 is 5 grams of 4 by 10 millimeter brass jump ring mix in antique copper, and they retail for 99 cents. There's different sizes there. Okay, that is our Christmas. That is our November. What do you call it? Winterberry Wish, and this is beautiful. Here, let me take you down. So I always take you down and let you look closer. Isn't that gorgeous? But this is Bargain Bead Box, November 2025 Winterberry Mix. And I think it's stunning. So hopefully I'll get to making something here pretty soon. But if you're wondering about Bargain Bead Box, they're another bead box company. And you, I will leave a link in the description box below. And you go through that link, which will be going through me to get to them. And you can, if you like what you see here, you can sign up. You can cancel at any time. But it's a subscription plan. And what they do, like any other bead box company, they come up with a theme. And then they curate beads and different things to match that theme for us to be able to make beautiful jewelry. And if you are one that is new at jewelry making, even if you're not, even if you don't know, pro, whatever, this is one of the best ways to be able to get our beads and stuff to make pretty jewelry. So I hope you go give them a try, especially if you're new at this and, you know, kind of wanting to get your feet wet maybe. Go give them a try. And go, like I said, if you would, go through that link, because that is going through me. I am affiliated with them, so I think if they sell so many through me, I think I get something free. I don't know. It's not a lot. And in no way affects your price. Oh, speaking of price, they have went up, I think, a little bit. I think now it's like 24 something a month. It was like 22 something without taxes or shipping, and now I think it's like 24. But still, I mean, you can't go to Michael's or well, there's no more Joann's, but you can't go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or get some stuff like this online, this amount, this quality, quantity for the same price. You just can't do it. So anyway, I hope you go check them out, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Again, this is November 2025 Bargain Bead Box unboxing, and so I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your evening or day or whatever, and hopefully I'll talk to you way sooner than Thanksgiving. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, I forgot. I always tell you all a retail price because it tells you there on the thing. And on this paper that they give us, it gives us the list of everything that we got for this particular month. And then it tells you the estimated retail value for the shipment is $84.09. And again, you know, we paid, like I said, right around $24, but still. And then also with them, they are Bead Box Bargain. They are Bargain Bead Box, but they have a sister store who is Bead Box Bargains, and you can go on there anytime during that month. On that paper, they will give you a coupon code for 30% off, and it's not a one-time use only. You can go this entire month of November. I can take that coupon code and go on there and buy anything I want from them and put in that coupon code, and I save 30% off of that order, and I can use it over and over until December. And so that's another thing that is wonderful. And then because they always, once they get all their shipments out of all of their people who have subscribed to them, then they will put out their extra stuff, so you can always go back and buy something that you might have ran out of. Maybe you run out of this aquamarine, I don't know, and you want to go back and buy more. They always have extras. And then also they will make up like a kit that matches this. It's not the same beads, but it's something that very similar and that will match. And they call them companion bundles. A lot of people, I've bought a few myself, and they sell out fast. Usually they do at least 2 to 3 companion bundles a month because they sell out of those so quick. So anyway, I forgot to tell you all of that. All right, bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.